Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to hide and disconnect entirely from your Wi-Fi network on Redmi 15C. Let's begin. Now, this is called forgetting and it's incredibly easy to do. All you want to do is simply head into your Wi-Fi, press and hold onto the icon, and now we should see our connected network. All you want to do is simply hit that little arrow to expand more information about it. Here you can see connect automatically, but now we want to scroll down a little, and right at the bottom we have forget network. All you want to do is simply click forget and simply hit OK. And now it's just as if we have never connected to that network. That's pretty cool. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.